It is only Allah who has created good and evil. Satan cannot create anything. But we see in the Quran where the act is attributed to Satan as the perpetrator. There are many verses in the Quran. It says that Satan adorned them with their drinking, gambling, adultery, and forbidden things. What does it mean that Satan adorned them? It means that he caused them to tolerate these things. But when it comes to creation, I am the only one who creates. We adorn them. We must always understand these things correctly. Attribution is metaphorical, attribution is literal. The reference to Satan is metaphorical in terms of being a cause. Mawla always works through causes. If you look at it, Allah is the one who kills. We mention this every minute. He resurrects, He kills. He says the angel of death kills you. There the attribution is metaphorical. So the angel of death causes it. It is only Allah who created death. Creation is not given to anyone other than Allah. Not to prophets, not to angels, not to jinn, not to satans. No one can create anything. Satan causes evil. The angel causes good deeds. Did you get it? Jinn and Satan mislead people. Of course, there are also Muslim jinn. Let's not always say misleading, generally speaking. He can be a friend to man in a good way. Most jinns have gone astray. There are very few jinn who signify good. The ratio is much less than humans. But let's say a jinn is al-sunnah. He can be friends with a human being. I don't know about that. I mean, such things are mentioned in books. I can't deny it. So in that respect, I shouldn't attribute only misguidance. But the devils are definitely the class that misleads the jinn. Therefore, in terms of causation, the devil makes these things seem attractive to them. Mawla makes the evil deeds look attractive in their eyes because they put their willpower in that direction. If this nation does not enjoy haram, why does everyone pursue sins and haram so much? Why don't they go to prayers, mosques, congregations all the time? Why don't they go more, right? It is clear from this that the devil's side predominates. It is becoming attractive for them. But we understand from the verse that it affects those who do not believe in the hereafter. You believe in the hereafter. As a Muslim who believes in the hereafter, you believe in heaven and hell. No matter how much faith remains in form, in imitation, even if you cannot reach the truth, that faith should still restrain you a little bit, because then you become like a non-believer. Just as the non-believer does whatever he wants, the one who does not believe in the hereafter commits all kinds of haram. Not a single one of them fears Allah and says, I should stop doing that. Okay, if only a Muslim would give up all sins, of course he would be a great saint, but we are servants. We also accept that it is not easy to leave all sins. Even for normal Muslims like us, it doesn't seem to be easy. I mean, we sin occasionally. We understand that, but we are careful because we believe in the hereafter. Do you mean we do every sin? Of course we are not sinless, but we don't do every sin. The reason we don't do every sin is our faith in the hereafter. If I don't fear Allah, if I don't fear the hereafter, how will I do it? There are so many sins that I can do. Why do I stop myself from them? I crave them. It is like this.